minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details, at 4:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated 1 to 3 inches of rainfall has The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central mainland Monroe County in southwestern Florida, southern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pa-Hay-Okee Overlook, or 18 miles northeast of Flamingo, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mahogany, Hammock, Hay-Okee Overlook, Royal Palm Ranger, and Everglades National Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a flood advisory for the following county, Miami-Dade, Florida. Issued at 14